Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about potatoes. For the longest time, people have made the potato to be something really, really bad. And the thing is, potatoes contain a lot of nutrients, a lot of vitamins, a lot of essential good that can help with your body, which could help with your immunity and could help with your weight. The thing about potatoes are people have made it an enemy. You don't get sick by eating potatoes. You don't get diabetes by eating potatoes. You don't get fat by eating potatoes. You don't make potatoes the enemy. You get sick first, and then maybe you're not allowed to eat too much of potatoes because of your sugar levels. But over the next few days, because there's so much of goodness to talk about potatoes, I'm going to talk about two fantastic benefits of eating potatoes today. So number one, potatoes are a rich source of vitamin B6. Now, what's the role of vitamin B6 in the human body? Vitamin B6 is essential and vital when it comes to energy metabolism. What I mean by this is vitamin B6 in potatoes actually helps you convert carbohydrates into glucose, and it also helps with the breakdown of protein into amino acids. These are smaller molecules which are more easily digestible and absorbed into your blood and into your cells. So although people say, oh, it's a carb, it's a starch, there's nothing wrong with a carb or a starch if it's getting digested and broken down the right way. So yes, potatoes contain vitamin B6, which helps with energy metabolism. It helps break down carbohydrates into glucose and protein into amino acids. And that is a structure and size that your cells actually need. The second point about potatoes that I'm going to discuss today is that a potato is rich in something called folates. Now, folates is used by cells for the synthesis and repair of DNA. So it has everything good to do with when you have cancer or any other disease, because it helps with DNA synthesis and DNA repair. And all mutations of cells in cancer start from a mutation in your DNA, corrupt DNA. So when you have the right amount of folates in your body, it actually helps with repairing the DNA and the synthesis of DNA in your cells. So these are two tips, and these are two reasons why you should be eating potatoes. Now, potatoes become bad when you deep fry them or fry them too much because it holds on, it absorbs too much of oil because of the osmotic tissues in it, and a potato becomes bad when you overeat it. Anything becomes bad when you overeat it, including fruits, including vegetables, whatever it is. Remember, the human body will use only what it needs for its functions. Anything extra it doesn't need, it'll either get stored as fat or it'll get stored as some impurity in the human body. So don't give up on potatoes. It's part of our staple Indian diet. It's also part of several diets around the world. And people in the West and people in Europe have potatoes at every single meal, and it doesn't cause a problem. So don't be scared of a potato. Be scared of overconsumption, overeating, and cooking it the wrong way. Have a good day, everyone.